how to delete your WordPress theme which is unnecessary. So for the reasons, there is a different type of way. I showing you just simple thing. I want to delete this theme. I want to delete this theme. Just click here and then select this, select. Okay, just delete. Spare theme will be deleted. Again I have to delete Digital Pro. Just select and select delete and okay, that Digital Pro deleted. Magazine Pro, I select this and select delete and then okay, that will be deleted. Okay, so this is 2020. You can delete it also. Just select and delete it, delete. And then another is this or this 2022. Okay, we delete it. Delete, select and just select delete and okay. So all are deleted. So now we have Genesis, News Pro and 2020. By that way you can delete your unnecessary thing. Okay, thank you for watching and subscribe if you want to support me and share. Thank you very much for watching.